Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an image off Noun project, how to get a font off DaFont, and how to make a Cricut t-shirt using IronOn. Start by getting a Pegasus off thenounproject.com. I'm going to pick the one that I want and get this icon. Just a basic download. And download as a PNG. I'm going to get rid of this because I don't want this on my t-shirt, and I'm going to save. I can go to my Cricut design space and upload image. The image is going to be the Noun Project Pegasus. It's just a simple image. I don't want to erase anything, so I'm going to continue as a cut image. And now that I have my Pegasus uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and put it in my design space. I want this to be pretty big because it's going on a t-shirt. Okay, so now we're going to upload a font onto the Cricut design space. So I found a font I really liked on DaFont.com, and it was called Dalek Pinpoint. I'm going to download it. Go ahead. And now it's here. Now, I'm going to right click, and I am going to try to get these onto Cricut. So I clicked it, and it wants me to install the font. And now it is one of my fonts. So now I'm going to go back to Cricut Design Space. I'm going to get some text and change it to what's in my system. And sometimes it takes a minute to figure out it's there. So I'm going to save. Quit. And reopen. Now, since this is reopened, I'm going to go back to t-shirt and see if my font is there. And there it is. So I want that, and because I'm doing a Percy Jackson theme, I'm going to type in how I want it to look. Okay, so now that I have everything on, now I'm going to center it to be the way I want it on the picture. Good. Although I'm going to see if I can flip this, which I don't think I can. There. Flip horizontally. And now I'm going to rotate it to be the way I want it to be. I think that looks pretty good. Now, with the text I have, I wasn't happy that they're all mushed into one word, even though I did have spaces there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and ungroup it. And then I'm going to ungroup them, or I'm going to group them by word. This way, I can move around the individual words and not be caught with a few letters that didn't get put into place. I wanted something for the back of my t-shirt, so I'm just going to show you what I did really quick. My sisters and I took a test on what cabin we would be in from the book series, and one of us got cabin 8. So I'm just gonna make the outline that I want. Just redo all the things I just showed you how to do with the Pegasus. Ta-da! Now I'm going to put my vinyl shiny side down on the mat. Now I had to redo this a few times because I couldn't get it to line up perfectly, but the Cricut likes to be able to see the white lines. So be careful to put it in the right spot. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click Make It after we finish what we were doing and making sure everything's right. And it's going to sort the projects into mats by color. And I think this is really convenient, but you can edit it if you want. I'm going to use it to connect to Bluetooth, and then I'm going to set my material. The last project I did, I had it on Vinyl Plus, but I'm going to go switch that to IronOn. I'll be right back. Alright, now we're on IronOn. It says to make sure the mirror is turned on and the IronOn material is face down, shiny side on the mat. So that's in, so I'm going to load my Cricut and mirror all of my images. And now, the Cricut does all the work for you. While this is printing, I decided that I wanted a little bit more color for the Pegasus. So I decided to use silver glitter IronOn instead of black plain, and I'll show you how it looks in a minute. I think it looks great. Yay, it's finally done. Now I'm going to weed it. So I'm going to take the top layer of vinyl off, leaving the clear plastic sheet and what I cut out. And you want to be very careful while doing this so that you don't actually take what you need there. There we go. Now I'm going to get the little bits of vinyl that went in between the letters that I don't really want in there. Now we get to put it together. So I said that I would do a gray-silver Pegasus, didn't I? I have that in the bottom part of the Camp Half-Blood phrase, and what we're going to do is we're going to iron them. It's okay that the plastic is there. I'll show you how to do this. I'm going to cover it in parchment paper so that the plastic doesn't melt onto the iron, and I'm going to put pressure on it until it seals, about 25 to 30 seconds. I have a towel under the t-shirt so that I don't ruin the table while trying to fix it too. Alright, so while these guys are cooling off, I'm going to iron the Camp Half part onto it. Again, I'm going to use my parchment paper and just protect. No steam for 25 to 30 seconds. While we wait for this one to cool off, the bottom one is already cooled. So now, I'm just going to start at the corner and peel. And look at this. It's just staying right where it's supposed to be. There we go. That looks great. And then I'm going to do my glitter Pegasus. that looks wonderful. So we're having a little issue with one of the hooves wanting to stay. Okay, let's try that. While that cools off, we can work on the other side. Be careful to leave the side that I just ironed alone so that it can set. It's cool to the touch now, so we're going to go ahead and see if it worked, which it did. There we go. This part of the shirt is done. Alright, now this is the back of my shirt, and I have my towel inside of it so that I don't disturb the front design. I'm just going to try to smooth it out, and I want this right about here. And then I have, sticking to the table a little bit, this, which is going to go here. And then I will finish getting my materials and then I will iron it. And now we've decided that we want this to go here. So we're going to take this off for now so that we can iron the first three things first. Okay, our shirt is done. Here's the front, and then we have the back. I'm going to make a few more like this, and I think we're pretty much done. Did you like my t-shirts? You can comment below to request the PNGs for my designs for your own Cricut project. Or you can also ask me to make a customized t-shirt back for whatever cabin you were placed in.
Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.